by the water. So I'm taking you guys along. I'm also going to a concert tonight. Just lots of fun here on Life with Marlene. Another beautiful spring day. I'm so excited. Was stuck in the house, not having any fun this week. So I'm going to tell you that it's Friday and it's time to enjoy this beautiful state of Florida. So come along. And we're going all the way down there.
So good for you. I am actually getting tired.
You'll be fine in a little bit. Look at this tree.
Oh my God, that's gorgeous. What is that, cherry? You have any words of wisdom?
Yes, that's so fabulous. Look.